Hello friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wonders. Now it's time to learn the relational operators in Python. Well, these relational operators, as the name suggests, it always finds out the relation between different entities. That means it always gives a truthy or falsy values, that is, it always returns a true or false value as the output. Still confused? Let's check it out. My age is a variable. My age is 25. And then your age is another variable. She is 35. Hey, I'm younger than you. Now, if I just print, well, wait, relational operators has to find out the relation between us, right? Between our age, between my age and your age. So let's print my age is less than your age. If I run this, it is true. As I said, relational operators always return a true or false values, right? So this is true. And now let's check it for greater than. If I run this, it is false. Why? Because you are greater than me and I am not greater than you. Now, telling in the way of numbers, here 25 is less than 35 and not greater than. So it should definitely give a false, right? Now, less than or equal to. If I run this is true because I am lesser than you. Younger than you. Greater than. Run this is false. Now equal to. And always remember this equal and this equal to. This is comparison or relational operator, whereas this is the assignment operator. People used to get confused with this and obviously beginners used to confuse a lot. And they used to do like this. And if you run this, you got an error. Did you see that? My age is an invalid keyword argument for print. So here we cannot use equal to sign. Why? Here we are assigning your age to my age. That's not possible, right? So this is the relational operator equal to. And if I run this, I'll get as false because my age is not equal to your age. But if this was 25 and I run this is true because now we both have equal ages. Let it be 35 and now not equal to. This is true. My age is not equal to your age, right? So this is so simple, guys. We are just comparing or finding out the relation between two entities. It may not be just ages or anything else. You can find out the relation between any two entities using the relational operators in Python. So we learned that we have got less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than or equal to, and equal to, not equal to. So these are the different relational operators in Python. And this is all about relational operators. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.